How do Lagrangian points affect solar system moons? Imagine a tiny boat floating perfectly balanced on a calm lake, where the water's pull and the boat's movement are just right. Now, picture this happening in space, with planets, moons, and tiny objects all in a delicate dance. That's what Lagrangian points are all about. These are special spots in space where the gravity of a large planet and its moon balance out with the orbital motion of smaller objects nearby. It's like a natural parking lot in space. There are 5 of these points for any two big bodies like a planet and its moon. The first 3, called L1, L2, and L3, lie along the line connecting the planet and the moon. These points are not very stable, so objects place their need a little push now and then to stay put. The other 2, called L4 and L5, form equilateral triangles with the planet and moon. These are stable spots, meaning objects can stay there for a long time without much help. In our solar system, these points have a big impact. For example, some asteroids called Trojans hang out at the L4 and L5 points of Jupiter's orbit. These are called Trojan asteroids. They share Jupiter's path around the Sun and stay in these stable spots for millions of years. This shows how Lagrangian points can trap small bodies, creating clusters that orbit in harmony with larger planets or moons. When it comes to moons, Lagrangian points are useful for space missions. Spacecraft can be parked at these spots with less fuel needed to stay there. This makes them perfect for long-term observation stations or communication hubs near moons. For example, satellites placed at Lagrangian points can keep an eye on moons or gather data without constantly adjusting their position. Strategically, understanding these points helps space agencies plan better routes for exploration and even future bases. They can set up stations at Lagrangian points to monitor space debris or protect assets from potential threats. These points also serve as starting spots for missions heading to moons or other planets, saving time and fuel. In summary, Lagrangian points shape how objects move around moons and planets. They act as natural gathering spots for small bodies and as convenient locations for spacecraft. This makes them key players in the ongoing story of our solar system and beyond.